If you believe in yourself, your body can do wonders. In just 1 month, you can reshape your life naturally. No pills, no fake diets, only nature, discipline, and belief. Master Lin will show you how. Fat is not your enemy, imbalance is. When we eat wrong and sleep late, the body stores what it cannot use. But when you eat right, your body starts to burn fat like fire. Your morning sets the rhythm for your whole day. Begin with a gentle detox drink that wakes your metabolism. Warm water with half a lemon's juice and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Stir well and sip slowly on an empty stomach. This drink cleanses your liver, improves digestion, and reduces bloating. 2 hours after your detox, have a balanced breakfast. Take half a bowl of oats cooked in water or low-fat milk, about 1 cup cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and a handful of berries or a sliced banana. This meal provides complex carbs, healthy fats, and antioxidants that keep you full longer. You may also add 1 boiled egg for protein. When you feel hungry before lunch, reach for a small snack instead of processed food. Take 1 apple or a handful of unsalted nuts, about 10 almonds or walnuts. This maintains your blood sugar and keeps cravings away. Lunch is where balance matters most. Fill half your plate with steamed vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or carrots. 1/4 with lean protein, 100 grams of grilled chicken or lentils. The last quarter with brown rice or quinoa, about half a cup. Add a teaspoon of olive oil and a pinch of cumin or turmeric for digestion. Eat slowly, chew fully. This single habit alone will change your body. In the evening, skip the tea with sugar and biscuits. Instead, take green tea with a slice of lemon and a handful of roasted chickpeas, about 30 grams. The antioxidants in green tea help melt stored fat, while chickpeas give fiber to control hunger. Dinner should be lightest and eaten 2 hours before sleep. Try 1 bowl of vegetable soup, tomato, carrot, or lentil, about 1½ cups. Add a small portion of grilled vegetables or fish if you like. Avoid rice, bread, or fried food at night. This helps your body rest and burn fat even while sleeping. Food shapes your health, but movement shapes your life. Dedicate 20 minutes daily to simple exercises. 10 minutes brisk walking, 5 minutes squats and stretches, and 5 minutes breathing meditation. This routine boosts circulation and helps your body use food as fuel, not fat.